You're having fun, aren't you? My name is Bobby Smith. I'm the Assistant Chief of Police of the Denton, Texas Police Department. Today's my last work day. I'll read the updates. I started here with the Denton Police Department 28 years ago. Is this the guy here? My favorite thing about having been a police officer here all these years is the ability to go out and protect innocent people. You're going to go to Hillsboro. When I came to work at the Denton Police Department, I quickly learned that I had made a great decision by coming to work here. They put a lot of trust in you. It's good people from top to bottom. The people that work here are 100% committed to the safety of people here. You have a great police department. You have wonderful cops. We need to get some action footage of you, though. Let's get one where we're both jumping out. And then maybe not fall down and hurt ourselves while we're doing it. It's just been a great place to work, and that's why I stayed here. It's been an honor, and it's been a privilege to work for this police department.